Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Class 12 Accountancy Issue of Debentures. Today we are going to discuss about the different types of issue of debentures. Debentures can be issued for cash, for consideration other than cash, and also as a collateral security. So first we'll see what is the accounting treatment when debentures are issued for cash. When debentures are issued for cash or consideration other than cash, they can be either issued at par or at premium or at discount. So debentures can be issued for cash or for consideration other than cash or as collateral security. And when these debentures are issued for cash or consideration other than cash, they can be issued at par or at premium or at discount. For example, if the par value of the debenture is rupees 100, the debentures will be issued for 100 rupees face value itself. This is issue at par. Then issue at premium means if the face value of the debenture is 100 and if the company is going to issue the debentures for 120 rupees, the excess 20 rupees will be the premium amount. Okay, so this is how debentures are issued for cash at premium. Then at discount, debentures which are of face value 100 could be at times issued for rupees 90. So it means the difference 10 rupees is the discount given to the debenture holders. Okay, so this is how debentures are issued at par, at premium and at discount. Now we'll see a sum on how to pass the journal entries when the debentures are issued for cash at par. Okay, sum number 1 in the exercise. Anand Limited issued 2009% debentures of rupees 100 each, payable as follows: 25 rupees on application, 25 rupees on allotment, and 50 on first and final call. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of the company. Okay, so now before passing the entry, we have to confirm whether the minimum subscription is received. Okay, the minimum subscription to be received for the debentures according to section 39(1) of Companies Act is 75%. So out of the issued number of debentures, at least 75% should be the minimum subscription. Okay, so we have to check this and then go ahead with the journal entries. Okay, so here all debentures are applied and allotment is made and call money or was also received on the due date itself. Okay, so assuming in that case we have to pass the journal entries. So first write in the books of Anand Limited journal write the column heads: date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. Now the first step is we are going to receive the application amount, isn't it? So bank account debit to debenture application account. we have received 2000 applications, each of 25 rupees. Okay, so 50,000 is the amount received. Write the narration as being application money received. Next is we have to transfer the application amount from debentures application account to the debentures account. Okay, so debentures application account debit to 9% debentures account. So this 50,000 is transferred to debentures account. Okay, being debentures application money transfer. Next, we have to pass the due entry for allotment. Okay, so debentures allotment account debit to 9% debentures account. Okay, and the allotment money is rupees 25. 50,000. Okay. Being debentures allotment money due. Okay. Next is money received on this allotment. Bank account debit to debentures allotment account. We have received the full amount. Okay. So we pass this entry for the total amount. Being debentures allotment money received. Next. Next we have first and final call. So first we have to pass the due entry, debentures, first and final call, account debit to 9% debentures account. Okay, so the due amount for the first and final call is rupees 50 per debenture. So 2000 into 50 lakh. Being debenture first and final call amount due. Okay, then for the money received we have to pass the next entry, bank account debit to debentures first and final call 1 lakh. Being debenture first and final call amount received. Okay, so In this sum, we have learnt how to pass journal entry when debentures are issued for cash at premium. Okay. Now we'll see one more sum, which is for the issue of debentures for cash at premium. Okay. Now we are going to see another sum on issue of debentures for cash at premium. Narain Lakshmi Limited invited applications for issuing 7,500 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 35 per debenture. The full amount was payable on application. Applications were received for 10,000 debentures. Allotment was made to all applicants on pro rata. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transaction in the books of Narain Lakshmi Limited. So first we'll write in the books of Narain Lakshmi Limited journal date particulars ledger folio debit amount and credit amount. Now bank account debit to 12% debentures application and allotment account. Okay, because it is a one-time payment, so application and allotment account. We have received 10,000 applications and the cost of each debenture is 135 including premium. Okay, so 13,50,000 is the amount received. Okay, now the narration being the debentures application money received. Now we have to transfer the amount to the respective accounts. Okay, so from debenture application and allotment account, application and allotment account, we are going to transfer the item to, the amount to the respective accounts. 12% debenture account, in this account we are supposed to transfer only the face value of the debentures only for those number of debentures which were issued. Okay, so the company has actually issued only 7,500 debentures, so 7,50,000 alone can be transferred to the 12% debentures account. Now we have collected 35 rupees per debenture as premium, isn't it? This premium amount has to be credited to the securities premium reserve account. Okay, so for 7,500 debentures, 35 rupees per debenture has been collected. So 2,62,500. Next, the balance amount cannot be retained with the company because we have collected the full face value of the debentures at the time of application itself. So whatever is the leftover amount or whatever is in excess, it has to be refunded to the applicants. So bank account is credited. So out of 10,000 applications, we have allotted 7,500 debentures. So the balance 2,500 applications are getting rejected and the amount paid by them, that is 135 rupees per debenture, is refunded. So 3,37,500 is refunded. Okay. Narration being allotment of 7,500 12% debentures of 100 each at premium of rupees 35 and the surplus refunded. Okay, so now with this sum, we have learned how to pass journal entry when the debentures are issued for cash at premium. Okay, and what to do when we have excess application money after allotting the debentures. So today we have learned how to pass journal entries for the debentures that are issued for cash at par and at premium. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.